So next question, question number 18. A spiral is made up of successive semicircles. Successive semicircle means first semicircle, first, second, then third, in this way. Okay. With center alternatively at A, B, and starting with center at A. Okay. So A is the center of radius 0.5 cm. Okay. Second 1.0 centimeter, third 1.5 centimeter, and fourth 2.0 centimeter, and so on, as shown in figure. This is the figure. Okay. So this is first semicircle, as we can see. This is first semicircle. So radius of this semicircle is 0.5 centimeter. This is second semicircle. So radius of this semicircle is 1 centimeter. Then third semicircle. The radius of third semicircle, that is equal to 1.5 centimeter. After that 2.0 centimeter. Okay. Okay. Means if we see the pattern of radius of this spiral semicircle, so we can observe that first semicircle has 0.5 centimeter radius, and second one is 1.0 centimeter, third one is 1.5 centimeter. Means every next semicircle is having 0.5 extra radius from its previous semicircle. Okay. After that is the total length such a spiral made up of 30 consecutive semicircles. So we have to calculate the total length of 13 semicircles. Okay. So they are 13 consecutive semicircles. Consecutive means one by one continuously. Okay. So how do we calculate total length? So first we calculate length of first semicircle, then second, then third, then fourth. After that we will go up to 13. Okay. So first we calculate length of first semicircle. How do we calculate length of semicircle? So what is the formula of calculating perimeter of circle? So perimeter of a circle, that is equal to 2 pi r. Okay. Perimeter of circle, that is equal to 2 pi r. And perimeter of semicircle, that is equal to pi r. Okay. So we can calculate length of first semicircle. That is equal to pi r. So r for first semicircle, that is 0.5 centimeter. So pi multiplied by 0.5, that is equal to 0.5 pi. Okay. Now length of second semicircle. Second semicircle. Again pi r. Here pi r is equal to 1 centimeter. This is for second semicircle. So this is equal to 1 pi r. We can write pi r. Same for third semicircle. Similarly for third. That is equal to 1.5 pi. Then 2 pi. Okay. So in this way we can calculate length of 7 semicircles. Okay. So we can write 0.5 pi, 1.0 pi, after that 1.5 pi, 2.0 pi, or we can write 2 pi. Okay. In this way, in the last one, that is equal to 6.5 pi. Okay. Last one is 13. So 13, if we go up to 13, so it will come 6.5 pi. So we can take 0.5 pi common. So here 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 13 is remaining. Up to 30, not remaining, up to 30. Okay. So here this is an AP where A is equals to 1. Okay. And D is also 1. 2 minus 1, that is 1, and N is equal to 13. They are 13 semicircle spiral. So we know that as N is equals to N upon 2, 2A plus N minus 1 multiplied by D. Okay. So as 13 is equals to 13 upon 2, 2 multiplied by 1 plus 13 minus 1 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 0.55. Why we are multiplying with 0.55? Because this is our common part of this AP. Okay. So that's why multiplied by 0.55. This is equals to as 13 is equals to 13 upon 2, that is 2, plus 12 minus 13 minus 1, 12. 12 multiplied by 1, that is 12 multiplied by 0.55. Now solve this part and we will get a solution of the question. So as 13 is equals to 13 upon 2, 12 plus 2, that is equals to 14 multiplied by 0.55. 2 7 is 14. So as 13 is equals to 13 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 0.55. Okay. This is equals to 13 7 is 91 multiplied by 0.55 as 13. So as 13 is equals to 0.5 multiplied by 91. So 5 1 is 5 and 5 9 is 45. After that put place after one digit from the right. Okay. Multiply by 5. So as 13 is equal to 45.5. So this, now put the value of y. So 45.5 multiplied by 22 upon 7. Value of pi 22 upon 7. Now calculate this part. So 45.5 multiplied by 22 upon 7. Okay. So 7 1 is 7 and 7 6 is 42. Okay. 3 is carry. After that this is point, so we take point and 5. Okay. And 7 5 is 35. So 6.5 multiplied by 22. Okay. 2 5 is 10, 2 6 is 12, 13, again 130. So 0 3 4 1 and put decimal after one digit from the right. So 143 centimeter is the answer. So length of 13 consecutive semicircle spiral, that is equal to 143